Looking for a blender that does more than just blend? Let me introduce you to the Xeoleo 2200W Smart Timer Blender, your ultimate kitchen powerhouse. Quote, "This beast is built with a 100% copper motor running at an incredible 23,000 RPM. Capable of tackling anything from hard ice to tough veggies, all while maintaining smooth and consistent results. With its 6 sharp stainless steel blades and a 2-liter PC jar, you'll have the perfect smoothies, juices, or soups every single time." The smart timer and stepless speed control make it easy to get the right texture. Whether you're mixing, crushing, or extracting juice, if you're serious about performance and durability, the Xeoleo blender is a game changer. Grab yours now from the link below and level up your kitchen game. Don't wait. Hit that buy now link in the description and make your kitchen smarter today.